Hi everyone, today we have this platform called CoinRule and this is the best trading bots for following smart investors. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Here as you can see that we are currently onto the platform and here we have this trend going on. So basically, since it is related to crypto, you are going to be needing to connect your exchange from it. I have currently connected my Binance as you can see in here, and this is platform for trading and all that stuff. Most of you guys are going to be well aware about Binance, of course. Now you can edit the trend using this pencil icon on the top right side of your screen. You can input your the trend option you have. You can see your demo exchange in here. So currently Binance is selected. We have our various other settings that are going to be helping you to make a trade and make it the most profitable. So you can see if we head back to our dashboard, we also have our exchanges on the left side of our screen, and here we can simply connect our other exchanges as well. So you can see we have connected exchange, which is Binance. So if you want to connect something else, you can simply upgrade your plan. So if you click on that, you can see it starts from $29 per month with all of these features offered. And we also have our marketplace, and there is going to be marketplace features as well. So currently it is not going to be showing up, since if you head over to bundles, you will be able to see various other features as well. Now another thing about this is if you want to get full access, you are going to be jumping onto plan that is going to be paid, so make sure to do that. Now if you head over to your settings and trading, you can see you have all of your trading volume and these features related to your trading system that you are going to be implementing. You have your limit orders, market cap, and everything is basically related to your crypto system. So let's just head back to our rules section where you can create your rules. So you can see we have this option of create rule option, and you can enter your details in here and just start with your crypto. So that is it for this video. And also adding on to this video, I have some positive reviews about. Now adding on to this, we have some nice reviews about this on Trustpilot. So you can see I've been with CoinRule for a couple of, basically he is using CoinRule. So you can see I've been with CoinRule for a couple of times. Of course, he is using CoinRule and he is liking it. 5-star ratings from him. CoinRule actually rules. Intuitive and easy to use. So to give it a try, you can head over to the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Make sure to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys around in the next video.